Nice to see you all here, and welcome to the Taupo District Council meeting, the 10th of December. Just a slight break from protocol. I just want to acknowledge, if I could, Mr. Minute Secretary, just acknowledge this fantastic donation from a Mr. Richard Izard regarding the Taupo Hospice, $1.8 million cash into that, so that's going to be built forthwith. Isn't it fantastic? So I'd just like to acknowledge that, fellow councillors, that what a wonderful man and a wonderful gesture for a wonderful organisation. So if I could just have that minuted, please. Thank you. Councillor Truman, could I please call upon you for a karakia, please?
Kia ora tātou. I te atua kaharawa kia tatamai koe kia mātou I tēnei rā, manaaki te a mātou I mahi katoa, I runga I te ingoa o te matua, o te tama, o te wairua tapu, ake ake, amen.
Amen. Amen. Thank you. Thank you, Councillor Truman. Okay, so we'll go to item 1, please. To confirm the minutes. Apologies, please. Sorry.
Your Worship, just one matter. I think it's probably appropriate that we send our best wishes to our Deputy Mayor, Councillor Crate.
Yes.
Who at the moment in hospital, so I'd move that way.
Yeah, Councillor Crate is unfortunately in hospital, so his apology is received. Seconded by Councillor Park. Sorry. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against? Thank you. Carried. Item number 1, just to confirm the minutes of the meeting of the Taupo District Council held on the 26th of November. Do I have any clarification or typos that need to be?
One matter that I need to raise, Your Worship. At that last council meeting on the 26th, I asked for a decision on whether we were advocates or observers on certain committees. I don't. Is that on the agenda? I've read it and I couldn't pick it up, but I might be wrong.
That will be. Sorry, Ms. Jakes.
Sorry, that will be circulated to you shortly.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so that information is coming. Okay, can I have a mover for those minutes, please? Move Councillor Park. Seconded by Councillor Boddy. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against, carried. Item number 2. 2-1 is the minutes of the Turangi-Tongariro Community Board meeting held in Turangi on Monday the 25th of November. Any clarifications or typos or amendments to those minutes? Councillor Park.
Oh yes, just minor. Number 1, I was in attendance, and number 2 is in the interim chair in italics. It has Councillor Anna Kirk rather than Park. So just minor corrections.
Thank you, Councillor. Any other queries on those? Okay, could I have a mover for those, please? Councillor Stewart, seconded by Councillor Cousins. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against? Carried. Thank you.